Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to share with you this gorgeous PR box that I got from NYX Cosmetics UK, and it's this haunted doll's house with all these treats in it. Also, this is my creepy doll makeup tutorial, and this is for a NYX makeup competition. So to start off with, I painted on my chest area this Victorian style dress and skull cameo, and this was inspired by one of the maids from the Haunted Mansion movie. I then used this white SFX cream colour, but I mixed it with a tiny bit of the black and blue to make this kind of pale grey shade. I added a translucent powder because I'm using cream colour, not face paint, so it's better to set it. And then I went into the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and I added these large eyes, and I gave her kind of an orangey creepy peach blush. And then I went into this blue and black shade and I shaded around the nose. I wanted it to be really creepy looking old doll. And then using this eyeliner, I started to paint on the cracks onto the face. For the larger cracks, I went into the black SFX cream and I filled those in. I then started to shade around the cracks using a black eyeshadow. I then went back into the white SFX cream and I used this around all of the cracks. And this just makes the edges look like they're standing out and adds to the 3D effect. I added a coppery orange eyeshadow and then I shaded underneath the big doll eyes with the copper colour and also a black colour as well. Using the white SFX cream again, I added highlights all around the face, and this just makes it look more fake and doll-like. I added a burgundy lipstick and then I actually went over the top with some white SFX cream to make the doll look a bit old and washed out. Then I actually took the sides off to give it like a really dolly pout, and I outlined it with black, added white highlights and some glitter as well. I then went into this red liner and painted some creepy veins onto the eyes. I added freckles and more cracks to the doll's face. Sorry I didn't film this bit, I kind of did it right at the end. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. This is day 11 of my 31 days of Halloween, and I hope you're really enjoying all my tutorials so far. Goodbye.